go on, I'd like to thank a few of the people that helped make this event as wonderful as possible, and that's obviously our sponsors, our dignitaries, our volunteers, and most of all, our participants and our audience. Now, we're just waiting for some key members to arrive, and I just wanted to let you know we will start our show in 5 minutes. So like typical Desi, there is a PST time, which is our Pakistani Standard Time, which means never on time. So just give us about 5 minutes and we will start the show for real. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of our Pakistani community, I welcome you all and thank you very much for making time and come and join us in this festival. Thank you very much. A special thanks to the dignitaries, local dignitaries that graciously accepted our invitation and are here. I hope you have a good time here. Ladies and gentlemen, 48 years ago when I first came with my family to Halifax, there were only 2 Pakistani doctors married to American girls and one Bangladeshi family living here. When we discovered them, we were very happy, we were excited, we got together and started getting together, having meals together, our children got played together. Although we were adjusted happily, but still we entertained the sweet memories of our country that we had left behind. We always thought of that country that raised us, educated us, and trained us to be such productive individuals that when we applied for a visa to Canada, this great country accepted us with open arms. It's unbelievable today that when we applied for that visa, our visas were sent to our homes within a few weeks. But Alhamdulillah, whoever came here did a good service to the country in the field of education, in the field of medicine, and so on and so forth. Now, as the community grew larger, we thought we should form an association also. So in early 80s, we formed an association, Pakistani Association, got it registered in the office of the Registrar of Joint Stocks. It's a difficult word. Anyway, so, and we kept on doing lots of activities, celebrating all the important days of Pakistan, like Iqbal Day, Independence Day, Quaid-e-Azam Day, and so on. It went on for some time, but then by late 80s, I would say, our association went into hibernation for some time. It was sad, but Alhamdulillah, now there is a new group of Pakistanis, young people, who are full of enthusiasm, and especially the ladies. There's a group of about 8-9 ladies who have put all their time and effort for the past 2 months and organized this festival, and the purpose is to give a positive image of Pakistan. So that's how this festival is arranged, and I hope that you all will enjoy that. Thank you.
Bye. جوات أو شات عقد الرنة سكن بلوشي لما مات زوي والد
साथी बेदार भी हर वक्त भाई वर्षर वाला कजदी वर्षर उकड़ो न व्यापक त्रणया तकते अल्लाह दीवार त खैर उकड़ी का सलाम वर्द चादे मारे औका मामा
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and very good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished ladies and gentlemen and children, it is my pleasure that you have invited me to be part of 69th Independence Day celebration here in Halifax. I'm so excited to see you all, and I'll just elaborate on it in one sense that in April I was booked for Halifax to come here, and I sent one of the officials ahead of me, and once he came here he said there are no Pakistanis. There are very few Pakistanis over there, so I cancelled that trip. I'm so glad that you're so many here and you have celebrated it in a way, in a very befitting way, and it also reminds me that it's you who are representative of Pakistan. It's you who are ambassadors of Pakistan. We people come and go. We will provide you. We provide you a connection with your homeland, which you have exhibited so very well. And I'm so touched with the performances which have been done by the kids and also by Dr. Kadwai. It is so touching. Well done, and I think all the volunteers who have done this work, laurels to them, as well as I think Anila Najaf, who has been coordinating it. She has done a tremendous job. I'll just say a few things. That not only this is our Independence Day, this year we are also celebrating Golden Jubilee of Pakistan's 1965 war. That is the Defence Day. And also I'm very happy to inform you all that in Pakistan, the operations against terrorism, which is a big menace, are going very well. And we are hopeful, inshallah, that this is last frontier for Pakistan's fight against this menace of terrorism. And inshallah, we will eliminate it from our soil. On another account, those of you who come across some reviews that there are very positive reviews about Pakistan's economic rebound, wherein you must have seen few reports which have come in Economist, in Forbes, and lately in Washington Post that Pakistan's economy is finally showing the sign that we were fatigued for over a decade and a half in the fight, which was a huge fight, and 58,000 Pakistanis have laid their life in that fight. And finally, we are, inshallah, coming out of it. So, ख़वातीन व हज़रात, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Of course, ये एक राब्ते का एहसास है जो आप लोगों ने यहाँ लाइव रखा हुआ है, और स्ट्रिक्टली बाइलिंगुअल होते हुए, of course, दूसरी लैंग्वेज इस वक्त मेरी उर्दू है. तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि आप लोगों ने यहाँ पे अपने न सिर्फ लाइव रखा हुआ, बल्कि आप यू thriving here as a community, and which gives me a lot of confidence, and we are so proud of you. और साथ ही साथ मैं ये भी कहता चलूँ कि हमारी तरफ से कुछ रवाबित जो हाई कमीशन की तरफ से I can imagine कि सबसे करीब तरीन आपका जो काउंसलेट है, पाकिस्तान का हाई कमीशन है, वो आपसे हज़ारों मील दूर है, हज़ारों किलोमीटर दूर है. तो हम ये भी कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि यहाँ आपको कैसे हम आउटरीच करें और जो सर्विसेज हैं पासपोर्ट, वीज़ा या दूसरी चीज़ों की, वो आपको वहाँ पहुँचाएँ. तो हम कोशिश करेंगे कि कोई यहाँ पे कोई एक ऐसा कॉन्टेक्ट सेंटर बनाएं जिससे आपको राब्ते में आसानी हो, जो फौरी सर्विसेज हैं। So Pakistan is a resilient nation, as you all know and you all are, and in that sense, that resilience has been shown in the fight as well as in many floods and many disasters which have come. Inshallah, we will come out as a strong nation. As Iqbal has very rightly said, ख्वार जहाँ में कभी हो नहीं सकती वो कौम, ख्वार जहाँ में कभी हो नहीं सकती वो कौम, इश्क हो जिसका जसूर, फ़ख्र हो जिसका वजूद। Thank you very much. पाकिस्तान कनाडा दोस्ती जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान पाइंदाबाद। Thank you. I didn't get it, please.
No, I'm saying next time when you send someone to go and find Pakistani community and the city find the right person.
I think it is our ability to हम आप लोगों को आप इतना ज़्यादा we will have a point person.
Yeah, inshallah.
Okay, everybody, now we are going to cut a cake. It's a little late. Our 68th Independence Day was on the 14th August. And I would
You can call me auntie. You look pretty today, mashallah. I like your dress.
This looks fabulous. Actually, that was one thing that she.
That's so sweet of you. Thank you. So tell me, what were you about to ask, Zainab?
Well, I wanted to know, what is our next item?
Well, next up we have the traditional wedding event. We will be portraying how a wedding takes place in Pakistan in all its glitz and glory. We have 3 different couples who will be playing bride and groom today for each of our ceremonies.
Are you part of this wedding too?
Oh no, honey.
But why?
I wanted to, but when I went to my husband with hope in my heart, joy in my eyes, and said, honey, do you want to be part of this wedding session? He looked me straight in the eye and said, I'm not making the same mistake twice. Luckily, he recovered enough to attend the ceremony today.
Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for these 3 couples whose husbands didn't feel the same way.
Whatever has been set up for them. And at that time, the ladies will bring in the dholak, which is a wooden drum that can be played at that time. A lot of singing is going on and merriment in general. And because it's a close family event, sometimes close family members will have some performances they do for one another. And also at that time, they do certain rasams, which is traditions of feeding the bride sweets or fruit or the groom, and as well as applying mehndi or henna onto the hand of the bride and groom. And at that time, they will take some money. You will see these things happening, so I'm explaining to you what will happen. They will take the money and go like this on top of the bride and groom's head. Basically, they're asking for blessings. This money will then get donated to the poor. And in return, it is hopes of they will give their prayers and blessings for this bride and groom. So the wedding day is not just for the ones who are having the event for themselves, but it really incorporates everyone we tried to incorporate the poor as well, and separate feasts are also prepared for them to enjoy. And we really value the prayers of those who are not as privileged. So that is the basic portion of the Mehndi. And once they start songs, they also have very specific songs that you will be listening to. And after that will be the wedding scene. And the wedding scene is the big day. It's the big event. And that day, everybody comes in all dolled up to the nines. And at that point, that is the day that they actually will get married. We'll do the religious ceremony as well. And that will be the day for the first time the bride will leave her home and go off with her groom's family. And it's a happy occasion, but at that point it becomes a very sad occasion, so you will see some very sad faces, some tears as they leave. However, the very next day is a joyous celebration for all. It is called the Walima, because then the family has been honored and privileged and accepted this beautiful bride as a new part of their family. And the bride's family has been also honored and privileged to get a son now incorporated into their family. So it really is a joint giving, receiving during this marriage, and a blessing for all. So without further ado, hopefully everything's ready. Let's get on with this.
हाथों की एक चूड़ी में सहज चले फिर भी बादल में बोले भीगा प्यार अपना आप दर्पण में देखे हर शर्माए ना गोरी करत सिंगार करत सिंगार गोरी करत सिंगार गोरी करत सिंगार बाल बाल मोती चमकाए रोम रोम बैठा नाम सिंदूर की सुंदरता से चमके चंदरमा गोरी करत सिंगार 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 करत सिंगार गोरी करत सिंगार करत सिंगार गोरी करत सिंगार
gave you a mini portion how the bride and groom are already seated. They're greeted. This is when the presents are given out as well, so happy times for both the bride and groom. And this is our lovely couple. I had They really deserve a hand. This gentleman was at work right now, came in very quickly to participate and has to rush back to work. This is true spirit of Pakistanis, not letting us go down. And the parents, mashallah, all our seniors of our community are bade. I can't say they're berserk, mashallah, look at them, half of them look better than me. And they are here.
Everyone, I hope that you're enjoying the show so far. We prepared a piece that was sung by Atif Aslam. And
If anyone wants to leave, this is the time.
yeah, this is the time. If you want to leave but you don't want to miss anything good at the show, the best way to enjoy the piece that we're going to play is to sit back, relax, close your eyes, and
Possibly go out as well. That's the best way to
or just cover your ears.
हाले दिल को सुकून चाहिए, दूरी एक आरज़ू चाहिए, जैसे पहले कभी कुछ भी चाहा नहीं, वैसे ही क्यों चाहिए दिल को तेरी मौजूदगी का एहसास यूं चाहिए, तू चाहिए, तू चाहिए शाम और सुबह, तू चाहिए, तू चाहिए, तू चाहिए हर मर्तबा, तू चाहिए जितनी दफा जिद हो मेरी, उतनी दफा तू चाहिए। कोई और दूजा क्यों मुझे तेरे सिवा चाहिए, हर सफर में मुझे तू ही रहनुमा चाहिए, जीने को बस मुझे तू ही मेहरबान चाहिए। सीने में तू दर्द है, न कोई दवा चाहिए, तू लहू की तरह लगो मेरा माँ चाहिए, अंजाम जो चाहे मेरा वो यूं चाहिए, तू चाहिए, तू चाहिए शाम और सुबह, तू चाहिए, तू चाहिए, तू चाहिए हर मर्तबा, तू चाहिए। Alright guys, thanks for that.
Feelings of people who come first time to Canada and see cultural difference from where they have come and what is they have to face. It's an exaggeration also, and it's not insulting to anybody, but you will see that it has a shock value in the end. I am the psychiatrist shock therapy. And shock therapy in the end is that if you can't adjust to the condition here, you go back. So this is Canada Nama, and it is in Urdu. So I hope that you will enjoy it. तो अर्ज क्या है, उठ के पानी भी हम न पीते थे, उठ के पानी भी हम न पीते थे, बस नौकरों के दम से जीते थे। घर में अपने हम ऐश करते थे, सबके सीनों पे मूंग डलते थे। अब्बा कहते थे पढ़ के हो जा पास, वरना काट देगा तू बेटा घास। कहता हूँ मैं बकाई में होश हवास, कनाडा आके हुआ सत्यानाश। अब कनाडा में क्या बदलती है, काटता घास हूँ और रोता हूँ, चैन व आराम अपना खोता हूँ, अब तो पिंजरे में बंद तोता हूँ, आदमी क्या यार खोता हूँ। अब तो बावर्ची भी हूँ और धोबी भी, काटता पालक भी हूँ और गोभी भी, गुर्दा भेजा और कलेजी भी, बालूशाही भी और जलेबी भी। कपड़े धोता हुए नहीं थकता, कपड़े धोते हुए नहीं थकता, नौकर बीवी को मिल गया सस्ता। कलफ लगाता हूँ ऐसा कपड़ों को, अम्मा देखे तो हो नहीं सकता। टॉयलेट को भी साफ करता हूँ, सबको धोते हुए नहीं थकता। पोछा मारता हूँ इतनी चाहत से, फर्श आने की तरह है चमकता। सर्दियों में खूब ठिठरता हूँ, सर्दियों में खूब ठिठरता हूँ,
Hey, this is PJ. And this is Alex. And
Thank you so much, everyone. This was our first event, and as I said, it couldn't come together without a lot of people working together. Each and every one of the participants and volunteers are important, but there are a couple that I would like to say a special thank you to, who went up above and beyond any kind of volunteering service. One of them is Kesser Heather, who played one of the dads, very quiet young man, family man, but he did so much background work and did so much running around and all the little tiny details that you couldn't imagine. And the PSA, he's a part of the PSA, the Pakistani Student Associations, and they wanted to make sure, and I wanted to make sure, and our chairman, everyone from our committee wanted to make sure that he got a special thank you from us all. So, Kesser, Suhaib Kesser. And I'm trying to get him on stage, and I think he might just make it. He's one of those shy guys. He didn't know this was happening. This is very impromptu that we had planned to do. On top of that, there were the dance numbers that you saw was the work of Bilal and Mohit. These are two young boys that you saw in the front performing, who really put their heart and soul and energies and got the other boys together, rallied them, choreographed, practiced, performed, got on the other boys, and got this done. My thing was coordinating, and I just made sure what's happening, what's happening, what's happening. And they would be sending me videos and pieces, run auntie this, run auntie that. I am so very grateful for these two young men who put so much effort into this. Suhaib did that. So he did a wonderful job. Would you like to say a little something on behalf of PSA? I know Salman and the other boys will be coming up, but I think I'd like you to say a few words.
Assalamu alaikum, and thank you Rana Aunty for introducing me. So I am an ex-president of PSA, Pakistani Student Association, and I mean obviously it's an effort to bring everyone together and do something for the community. It's not specific for Pakistanis. There are lots of people in Canada coming from different origins, and we wanted to make a platform where everyone can come together so they don't feel alone, they don't feel distressed, and we provide them resources and things and cultural events like this so that they can entertain. I mean, it's a common place for everyone to come and enjoy, and we did put a lot of hard work, and alhamdulillah, I mean, when I see this event, I mean, I'm really, really excited. Thank you.
Thank you, Suhaib. Also, I'm going to ask Anila to come up here. She's the chairperson of our event. And there's a couple other ladies that are now manning the stalls and doing other work. One is Wasima, and Ghazala Qayyum is also a lady.